Hello all and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve the HackerRank problem in Python for if-else. But before that, please like and subscribe. The challenge requires you to read a variable n, and print the word weird if the number is odd or if the number is even and in the range of 6 and 20. Or print not weird if it is an even number and greater of 20 or in range of 2 and 5. We create an if statement, and if the is even or in range of 6 and 20, then print weird, else print not weird. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment for a future video.